What's up? It's your girl. I'm back once again. I know I look a mess, but been in a lot of pain. Uh, so I decided to record a little bit of what I'm making. Today I'm making chicken and dumplings with cornbread. So first I had my meat boiling already. So now I'm just going to put my I'm gonna show y'all what I'm doing. I use the Kroger brand, you know, the regular little, I'm trying to see can I get it. The regular little biscuits, and I use my creamy chicken. So don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, hit that notification bell. Okay, my chicken boiling. I let it cook. Like I can cook good enough that it be done, and it just fall off the bone. That's how I like it. So first thing I'm gonna do, get my can. I'm telling y'all, when y'all go in these stores, start checking the dates on these cans. Cause I bought something from the store like 2 or 3 days ago, and you won't believe what year it said. I said, something don't taste right. Looked at the thing and it says 2020, and these people still had it in their store. You think I went mad? But it was cool though. So that's just one can. I got my pot ready in the freezer. I'm gonna do 2 cans. Might do 3. I don't know. But right now I'm just doing 2. Go sit down. Bye. Bye. Thank you. So we're gonna mix it up a little bit. And while this doing that, I like to get my biscuits. Some people cut them. I don't got time for that. I don't want them perfect. I just want them good. I'm going to start off putting 8 of these little things up here. So all together in one can, it's supposed to be 10 biscuits in one can. So I might use the whole 8. I just pinch it off. Get the biscuit. These look like 2 biscuits together, so it'll be alright. And I just start throwing it up in there. So this is what I'm gonna do right now. I don't want the video so long, so I'm gonna come back when I put all the biscuits up in there. Stay tuned. Okay, I came back. I decided to just do 3 cans. But if you don't want to do the pinch roll, like pinch it off the biscuit, you can take a piece like this, do like a little nice roll, boom, drop it in. But that's if, you know, you want to be perfect. And I don't. I really don't. But the good thing about chicken and dumplings, you can always, when you run out of them, boil some more up. All you need is a little chicken and broth. Let it boil a little bit. And then put the rest of the biscuits in, and then you just add it all in. So right now I put 3 cans in, so all together that's 30 pieces of biscuit. Plus subtract that from, I get about 5 or 6 pinches out of each biscuit, so it's pretty good lot. So put a little black pepper. So you can make sure y'all see that. Black pepper. Put a little black pepper, black pepper. And everybody knows me. You got to have a little bit of pepper salt. Boop, 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 boop. By the way, if y'all like my cooking videos, let me know in the comments down below. Also, now you can also, in the comments, I will link my website to my, I guess you can call it a boutique. It's called Royalty Custom Closet. And yeah, you got everything you almost could think of. It's not like up yet. It's up. Like, you can go purchase stuff right now, the little stuff that I already got on there. But I still have to like a couple of more things to take pictures of, to post on there and stuff like that. So I'm gonna put a little bit of my garlic salt, just a little bit. I don't really like salt like that. So I'm gonna put this on low. Ooh, I want to think about that seasoning, honey. So I'm gonna put this on low. You see it coming up, and I'm gonna let the biscuits cook all the way through. And while that's cooking through, I'm going to be mixing up my cornbread. And then when I get all my ingredients for my cornbread, clean up a little bit, I'll be back and I'm going to show you how to do this cornbread. Okay, your girl is back. I got my stuff together. I'm going to be making Jiffy cornbread. I don't like hot water cornbread. I gotta have some kind of sweet cornbread. Even though this is chicken and dumplings, the cornbread ain't really for me because I don't eat cornbread with my dumplings because, you know, it's already bread in the dumplings. So, right now, I'm gonna have to get a glass bowl one of these days. So, right now, I just got the cornbread mix in here. Trying to get some of these lumps out. I do 1/3 cup of milk. I like to mix it in a little bit. Mix, smugs, so you can get a little easy little gram to it. 1 egg, the whole egg. Some people don't put. I put the whole egg. Smush that in real good. Also, put your oven on 350. It tell you that on the box, honey. And trust me, if you're doing more than one box, please go by the description. If it's saying 1 egg for 1 box and you doing 2 boxes, when you do that 2 mix, put 2 eggs in there, 1/3 cup of milk in there. Like, come on now. Now, me personally, I do sugar. Okay. You don't have to, but I do. So, I mix all this up. And I don't know if I said it, put your oven on 350. I usually use my iron skillet, but I got grease in it right now, so I'm using this non-stick skillet. Even though it's non-stick, I'm still going to use my spray. Just a little, you know, around the edges. So, you gotta make sure that egg in there good. See, if I had a bigger bowl, I wouldn't have to do it like this. But this is the first one. I know some people do, like when they do a hot water or fried, like some people fry their cornbread, I forgot what they call that. This is fried cornbread. But I don't do that. Only cornbread I eat is Jiffy. So, doing it one more time. 1 box of mix. 1/3 cup of milk. You can use whatever milk you prefer, but I only use 2%. I don't like the other milk. That's all I buy is 2%. 1 egg. I'm sorry if I'm going too fast. But my stomach is hurting. I'm trying to sit down. But like I was saying, oh, I'm making a mess. You can go follow. Go, if you can't purchase, just, you know, at least go check it out. If you go check out my website, you know, come back and leave a comment, say you checked it out or you purchased. You never know, you might get a little extra little gift up in there. I'm not done adding all my products. I just added like 4 or 5 products, but they come in different colors. I feel like put my sugar in, so I just do a little sugar since I already added sugar. Now this one, I'm gonna put a little water, like a tablespoon of water to loosen it up some. Because you gotta remember, I got to add it on top of this one I did the first time. And then we just gonna cut it in there. Cut it in there. Gotta make sure you do it good. Okay. So this is going in. I'm trying to, without unleavening it, at 350. And it depends on how dark you want your food. I do it until it's done. It don't have to be like, some people like brown, like burnt looking almost. Nah. I like a golden brown. I like a golden brown cornbread. My dumplings is still on low boiling. I'm going to clean up, and then I'm going to come back and show y'all the finished product. I don't know if I'm playing it or what, but I'm going to show y'all the finished product. So don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, hit that notification bell. Also, don't forget to go check out my website at Royalty Custom Closet. I'm going to leave a link in the description box. And please tell me if you go check out the website or you purchase from the website. Come back to YouTube or TikTok and tell me that you went and looked at the website or purchased from the website. You know, come be a part of the Royalty family. You know, I do a lot of custom work. I do a lot. I'm trying to move this because I look dark. I do a lot of custom work and so on and so on. I know I look a mess. Don't judge me, okay? But like I said, I'm gonna leave a comment down below. So stay tuned for the finished results.